tuning in to Nizzy's Playhouse. So today's DIY is to show you how to do some platform vans. All you need is a shoe of your choice, E6 3000 glue, duct tape, and then a bunch of flip-flops. I got these from Walmart for like $2.50. And of course you can't forget the wine. Girl. So if you're not doing so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And go ahead and like that video. Let me know what you think in the comments. For now, I am just going through, I'm cutting the little thong piece from the flip-flop and making sure I'm getting those little parts, those little two pieces on the inside. And you want to do this with all of the flip-flops so you get a big pair that looks like this. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting the shoe on top of the flip-flop, and I'm going to go ahead and take a pen and just trace around the shoe so that I have an outline to go around. This part is super necessary, otherwise your shoes will look super clunky and like you got some big boats on your feet. So yeah, go ahead and cut out the outline that you just drew, and it is super hard to cut, I'm not even gonna lie, so make sure you have some like heavy duty fiskars or whatever you call them, scissors. But yeah, like, woo girl, I was thinking about I was gonna have arthritis after this. But yeah, you want to do this with all pairs, so take your time and then you'll end up with these. So now I'm just taking the E6 3000 glue. I got this glue in the color transparent so that when it dries you can't really see it, but it doesn't really matter. So just don't get black though, I know that, unless you have a black shoe. So what I'm doing here, I just went around the flip-flop and then I went through the middle just in zigzag motions to get as much coverage as I could. And then you want to go ahead and take the take the other flip-flop and press it directly onto that, and you'll want to make sure you apply some pressure because with E6 3000 glue it doesn't dry right away, it takes a little while, and it takes some pressure to make sure it's like on there. So yeah girl, so you want to go ahead and repeat this step with the other flip-flop, and then go ahead and do the same for the other shoe as well. Now for the last part, you want to go ahead and put some on the flip-flop, and then also you want to put some on the bottom of the shoe, using that same method of going around the outline of the shoe and then going around the middle just to fill that in. And then you want to go ahead and line the shoe up with the flip-flop directly onto it. That part is the most important because otherwise it's not going to be feeling right when you're actually walking on it. And now I just went in with some little ponytail holders just to keep it together because your toe, it will lift, especially if it's an older shoe. The toe part is the part that needs to be smashed down there. So also recommend getting something heavy. This is what I have for the moment. No, I'm just playing, but I used something else. I don't remember what I used, but I just held it up there and waited about 2-3 hours. This is the final result. Go ahead and take the rubber bands off, and now it's duct tape time. I saw this cute checkerboard duct tape at Walmart for $4. So, and I know checkerboard is in right now, so I decided to go ahead and try this. What you see me doing here is doing the first row, and I put that duct tape right up on where the sole and the canvas meet, and that'll be your first layer. And then second layer, since I only used a total of 3 flip-flops, I only needed 2. But if you're going to use more to make your platform higher, you're probably going to need 3 rows or layers, if you will. And if you want to be a little extra like me, I went in with some duct tape to kind of cover the top so that it looks kind of concealed and, what's the word I'm thinking of? Like flawless, like there's no like lines that you can see. I went in and fixed the top of the shoe with more duct tape, and I kind of lined the squares up like how they should be so that it looks seamless. And that is it, ladies. If you want to do the bottom of the shoe, like paint it a different color, you definitely can. But I just really see no point in it because nobody sees the bottom of your shoe, girl. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if you have any recommendations or suggestions. Thanks for watching.